So you take this cover off, and then you open this tab, take 2 screws, take this off, front panel. Then you're gonna have 3 screws here. 3 screws. Okay, and then you're gonna have a 10 right here. Pop that out. Then the lock. The lock is gonna drop down. The whole thing is gonna drop down, and then you should be able to just take it out like this, and then you'll do your connection for the new one. Easy. It's a 2012 Corolla Type S, front passenger, door lock actuator. It's a 20-minute job. Make sure when you lift that one off the old one, you don't break the yellow thing right here. Now the blue one to put it in, you gotta put it straight, and then you poke it in the hole, and then you twist it. Then you put it down. So don't try pulling on it. And then we can close this. And now to put it in, we just go from the bottom up, go in. What's up, baby?
I love that.
Hey, hold the light right there for me.
Okay.
All right.
No, I don't want to talk.
So we just go behind that bracket right here to stick in the hole. That thing right there. Slide from the bottom. Just go in the hole. Put all the screw back right there.